This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Let's take a look at BYND as it is breaking out today, and the breakout level on the daily chart is the recent daily closing high right there at a price of 174.20. So we can see that as long as the stock is holding above that level, then this becomes a good setup to hold. So in terms of the price breakout, everything looks perfect. We've moved above the recent daily closing highs. As long as we are holding above that daily closing high, everything should be good, and the bias being that momentum should be to the upside, especially and as long as the RSI on the daily continues to hold above 69.1. So those two things, price breakout and the RSI holding above 69.1, is exactly what the bulls want to see. Now, having said that, when we take a look at the quality of this breakout, there's a little bit of a problem, and the problem stems from the fact that right now with the breakout, we see that the MACDs are not trading at 3-year highs, or at least the MACDs are not even close to recent highs. So because the MACDs don't meet the minimum requirements for a quality breakout, what this might suggest is that this move has a higher likelihood of failing and that the upside is almost muted. Of course, we'll see the key takeaway here is the price breakout holding above 174.20. As long as the daily RSI is holding above 69.1, momentum should still be to the upside. But you need to be careful from the sense that if we see a failed breakout, if we see the RSI roll over below 69.1, given the fact that we don't have the MACDs at recent highs or close to recent highs, because the MACDs are not where they need to be, a failed price breakout and the daily RSI moving below 69.1 can actually change the equation, and we can see a massive sell-off. That's it for me for now. See you in the next one. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.